Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming power and Bluetooth access. Make sure the earbuds and case are charged to at least half so pairing doesn't fail. Open the case and remove the earbuds to wake them. On your device, turn on Bluetooth and keep the settings screen visible so you can select the Bose name quickly. Once the earbuds wake, listen for a pairing prompt or see a flashing LED. This indicates they're advertising. If you see that, move to selecting the device on your phone now. Now you initiate the actual pairing. On your device, tap the Bose model name when it appears in the Bluetooth list. Some devices show it as Bose QC or a similar model tag. If your device asks for a passkey, enter 0000, then accept any prompts. This secures the connection. Once accepted, wait for the earbuds to play a confirmation tone or show a steady LED, and make sure your phone displays connected. If you plan to use only one earbud, check mono mode in the app or system settings. Finish by configuring and testing the connection. Open the Bose app to install updates, adjust equalizer settings, and give the earbuds a recognizable name. This makes future connections faster. Play music and try a call to verify audio and microphone quality, and make small volume adjustments as needed. If pairing fails or drops, reset the earbuds using the manufacturer method, restart your phone, and attempt pairing again. This clears corrupted settings and resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.